make sure you stand if you are a mother. They're giving you some flowers.